for today. But in the meantime, we do have Spider Pigs buy me a coffee. Shouts out to that guy because we was over there this morning. Like I said, Super Saturdays over there every day. If you're not monetized, buy me a coffee is definitely a quick and easy option for you because you could either keep it simple and just set up donations and memberships, or you can actually get in the game like your boy. You see, you can get in the game like your boy and put some extras up there. Extras are ways for you to promote your own products and services. Shouts out to having products and services. And then again, like I said, anytime you do anything, you also want to have freebies for people. Shouts out to the freebies. Because it ain't always about that bag, but shouts out to having options and things out there for people to do with you. And you definitely want to make sure you're keeping up with your buy me a coffee. What is going on? Good to see you. How you doing? I'm gonna throw you a jacket because I already know you're a content creator. Probably seen you in that chat somewhere. Good to see you. How you doing? Definitely, definitely. See, networking is always about the networking. You dig? Oh, that's the cultivation channel, Coach Sherry. So like I said, I got my back. I be in my own chat. I be dropping links because Nightbot quit on me a long time ago. So hell, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? But anyways, like I said, y'all know it's a buy me a coffee video. So definitely go pick up all the freebies on the buy me a coffee, just so you can become an active supporter of the buy me a coffee without even having to, come out of pocket. Because, like we like to say on YouTube, it is a monetization platform in itself. So, those silly people that say, I'm not on here to make money, can shut the hell up. Okay? Because we don't talk like that over here. You see what I'm saying? We actually have legitimate jobs, and then we actually have legitimate endeavors out here. So, we accept support from people because they support the work. Shouts out to the Homework 2025 playlist. We over about 600 videos deep in this playlist. And, because that's us showing the work because we be putting it in. You dig? Therefore, if people want to support the work, we ain't going to tell people that, hey, you don't even deserve to get paid because you're a YouTuber. The FUD do you mean, Elmer? Okay, what the FUD do you mean? But that's another story. We ain't sticking to it because, hell, we'll be stuck on some BS all damn day. But like I said, we got plenty of buy me a coffees to talk about today. I might not even have to do videos today. I could just go to buy me a coffee sites just to show people's buy me a coffees off. That is a good video idea. We might just run with that one. Scratch the videos. Nah, we'll do some videos because your boy got videos somewhere down here. Let's see. There's one of the video topics. Let's put that up in the list. Up in the list. GMLH. I know we watched that the other day because that's the Green Table podcast. Yeah. All right, let's pay these bills real quick while I roll up. Then we'll come back to talk about some more buy me a coffee. Because you know how my videos go. We're going to make you clock in and lock in, right? Get you a notepad, get you a snack. Make sure you go to the restroom, have you a drink. Tell the kids that they better have their homework done. If not, they better sit down and take notes too. Because hell, there's some information for everybody coming up. You know how we do. Boom. Let's just play from there. Give me a second. Good to see you, Eileen. Y'all know to go check out Eileen. She's another one of those fire content producers. And speaking of producers, that's the big homie DJ is. But right now in the chat, I see we got the other producer that we like to FUD with. Shout out to the big homie E Money on the beat. Y'all know to go check out E Money. He'll give you a nice beat for a great deal. Check him out for a show because we appreciate that. I'm not sure if he has a buy me a coffee or not, but if he does, he could go ahead and drop his link because we appreciate that much of the game. Because we out here reminding people if you ain't already monetized and doing your thing on multiple platforms, we're going to get you coached up around here because that's what we do. We provide our value back to the community by reminding y'all, hey, you're putting in the work. Let's make sure you're getting some support for it. And you ain't got to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. I mean, that's nice for YouTube numbers. But hell, in the meantime, you putting in work, so you might